Okay, in this problem it's backwards, so the last one it's already expanded, now we have to condense it. Okay. Well, the first step in here is we can see these numbers, we can move it to be exponents, and that's the first step. So now do log 2x, the 3 will move it to be exponent of x plus log 2y, and we do the same with the 1/2. And well, right away we can see y to the exponent of 1/2 is the same as y equal y, so we're going to simplify it. Y. Okay, and now the final step, since we're adding here, it's going to be multiplying, and we get rid of one log, and it's just going to be log 2x cubed times, because it's an adding sign, y equal y. This is the final answer. Okay, here we have to solve for the cosecant of 135 degrees, and here we have to solve for the secant of 5 pi over 6. So, here the first step, we have to draw our plane. Okay, so 135 degrees, it's around here. And to get from 135 to 180, you need 45 degrees. So we're going to draw here triangle 45 degrees. Okay, so we're going to do the cosecant of 45 degrees. So the opposite of cosecant is sine. So sine of 45 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. So this over this, so it's going to be, it's 1 right equal to 1 over right equal 2, but since it's the cosecant, we flipped it. So the answer is right equal 2 over 1, which is simply right equal 2. Okay, for secant of 5 pi over 6, first we draw the plane again. And 5 pi over 6 is equal to 150 degrees, so it's going to be around here. And so 150 is closer to 180 than 180 to 90. So we're going to do, it's missing 30 degrees to get to 180, so this equals 30. Okay, so to complete the sides, this is right equal 3, which we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Right equal 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we have secant. The opposite of secant is cosine, so we're going to do cosine of 30, so it's going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, so right equal 3 over 2, but since it's the secant we have to flip them, so it's 2 over right equal 3, 2 over right equal 3, and that's our final answer. Well, 2 over right equal 3, we cannot do that with a right equal 3 on the bottom, so we have to multiply it by right equal 3, which the answer is 3. Well, it's going to be 2 right equal 3 over 3. 2 right equal 3 over 3. And that's it. Okay, in this problem we have to find theta in degrees. So the first thing we have to do is subtract 1 from both sides and divide by 2 from both sides. So we simply end up with sine of theta equals negative 1/2. Right away, since this is a negative, we can know, if we use our students take calculus chart, we know that it's going to be where sine is negative. So sine is positive here, it's positive here, so it's going to be in these two. So if we draw the quadrant, it's going to be, the possibilities are here or here. Okay. Also now we have sine of 1/2, so it's definitely the 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if we draw the triangle, something like this, we have 30, 60, and 90. Okay, the hypotenuse is 2, this is 1, and this is right equal 3. Okay, so we're finding sine of 1/2, so, sorry, this is right equal 3, and this is 1. We're finding sine of 1/2, so it's going to be sine of 30 because it's opposite over hypotenuse. So it's sine of 30. So the answer of alpha, we have only found alpha. Alpha equals 30 degrees. So now, in order to find theta, we only have to put 180 plus 30 because it's going to be here. One possibility is 180 plus 30, which equals 210 degrees. That's one answer. And the other answer is 360 minus 30, because it could be all the way through here. 360 minus 30 equals 330 degrees. So the two possibilities are 210 degrees and 330 degrees. Well, these were the 4 units that I failed the tests in, and well, now I can say that I understand them, and thank you very much.